So if you want to connect your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max to a new internet Wi-Fi network, or maybe forget and reconnect with a saved or old one, whether you're currently connected or not with the internet, first go to Settings on your TV, then go to Network. Now here you'll see all the available Wi-Fi networks, along with the ones you've connected to before. So if you don't see your network, you can select See All Networks. This usually shows up when you're connecting for the first time or the network is hidden. Now, choose your Wi-Fi network and then enter the password using your remote. After that, just select Connect. Now, once it connects, you're good to go. Now, if you want to forget an old network, just highlight the network name from here, and then on your remote, just press the menu button and then hit the Select button. It'll be removed from your Fire TV Stick. And that's all for today. Thanks for your time with Fix369.